SafeHaven is proud to announce our new Canine Enrichment program. This program allows trained volunteers to work with dogs that are currently in the shelter awaiting adoption. The Canine Enrichment program started in January 2012. We started with a team of 12 volunteers, offering to spend 2 hours a week providing an opportunity for shelter dogs to learn basic obedience skills. CEP volunteers work with adoptable dogs on valuable skills, such as loose leash walking, waiting at doors, sit, stay, and sometimes even a trick or two. The time and training our volunteers give to the dogs allow the dogs to have a break from the normal routine, give them mental stimulation, and also instill basic manners that will potentially help keep that dog in an adoptive home for the remainder of its life. Dogs that end up in the shelter environment often lack impulse control, socialization, and basic training. They are usually between 1 and 3 years old. This time in a dog's life is the most crucial as their need for mental and physical stimulation and lack of training combine into destructive or nuisance behaviors that many people report they just can't handle. Each CEP volunteer has a happy ending story. We try to focus on the dogs with behavior issues or the ones that have stayed in the shelter for a longer than normal period of time. The time spent with these dogs is forever ingrained in our volunteers' memories and hearts. When our favorite dog finds a forever home, there is no greater feeling. There may be tears, but tears of joy that one more dog found a place to call home. Since we started the program, several other volunteers have joined our team. We are always willing to train new volunteers, as the dogs only benefit more when there are more opportunities for training. The CEP program has grown to include some off-site training in our Saturday Academy. Several times a month, a group of CEP volunteers transport dogs from the shelter to our training facility and have a group lesson. These lessons allow the dogs to work with the distraction of other dogs around and have the opportunity to do other activities like scent work and agility. You can easily spot CEP volunteers as they have green name tags and often wear their green Shelter Dogs with Class t-shirts. CLASS stands for Canine Life and Social Skills. This is the acronym for a training program developed by the Association of Pet Dog Trainers. This is the training program we use in the kennels and for our off-site classes. Many of our volunteers have seen a real difference in the dogs that they work with, and some have reportedly used the program at home with their own dogs and had great success. If you would like to donate to this program or become a volunteer yourself, please contact our Behavior and Training Coordinator, Sharon Gackstatter, at sharon@safehavenhumane.com. This program is almost totally dependent on a strong base of volunteers, and efforts to grow and improve this program will depend on not only our volunteers' time, but community donations. Thank you for your interest in the Canine Enrichment Program.